hope that you guys are doing great. Today's Tuesday, and Valentina has been a little stuffy lately. I don't know what's going on. Like, since she was little, she never got sick up until maybe about a month and a half or so. And I'm like, why is she all of a sudden getting stuffy noses, like, left and right? And I hate it because she doesn't sleep well. You can hear her nose is really stuffy, and it worries me. I have to, like, I literally watch her all night because I'm like, if she can't breathe, I need to clear her nose. However, I do try to clear her nose and give her as much comfort. I do turn on the aroma diffuser, the oil diffuser with eucalyptus to clear her through the night. And then what I do? Oh, I put Vicks on her feet, behind her ears, on her back and chest. I clear her nose before I lay her down. But it seems like as soon as she lays down, it's like waiting to come up. I don't know. It's just so crazy. But it's been a rough past couple of nights. And I'm also trying to figure out how to feed her more meals more often throughout the day to try to wean her off of the whole milk drinking. Because she has 1 more month left of formula, and then after that it's regular milk. So I want to ask you guys, what is the process? What process or what steps did you guys take to wean your children off of the milk? Did you just stop the formula and then start giving them milk, or did you slowly incorporate the regular milk along with the formula and then just continue on with the regular milk? So please, if you guys have any suggestions, whatever worked for you, I would like to hear, because I do take into consideration different options and opinions. And I want to know. This is my first child, and I would like to know. Alright guys, so I got this soup going on for Valentina. It's basically couscous, spinach, I add squash, I add chayote. And the couscous, you guys can get the box or the pasta container at Walmart. So I bought some stuff yesterday at the 99-cent store. I want her to try this, but then I'm like, oh my god, it's bubble gum. She might not like it. I needed Fabuloso. This is what I used to clean my floors with. And then this is like my multi-surface cleaner. I keep these everywhere. Bathroom, kitchen, living room, my room. I wiped down my entire house with this. And then I got some new sponges because I already needed some new ones. I also got this little roller paint thing because I have some white paint. And I want to start cleaning up my kitchen because I don't think we're moving out of here anytime soon. And then I got Valentina, and then I got Ruby these jerky wraps, which are her favorite. When I go to the 99-cent store, I always get her those because she absolutely loves them. Like, she goes crazy with them. Alright, so I tried to give Valentina some sopa, and she didn't want any. She had maybe like 4 or 5 spoons, and she was like, that's it. I need to start giving her more food, guys, and I don't know if she's teething. She's been fussy the past week and a half. She's having like a congested nose. She did feel warm yesterday and the day before, but overall she's doing okay. She's in good spirits. She continues to play and stuff, but she's more fussy, which is not her. Alright, so she didn't want to eat. I'm gonna bring her, I brought her to the room. I'm gonna read to her for a little bit, see if that chills her out. She has been fussy, like I said, for the past week and a half. It's very unusual because she really does not cry or fuss often about things, and lately she has been. So it could also be a change of personality, guys. Like, it can just be that she's starting to grow into, you know, behavior. And so, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Yo soy tu rostro sereno. Tú eres mi reír divino. Yo soy tu paciente espera. Tú, mi loco torbellino. Ay, ¿tú eres mi torbellino? Sí. Ladies, if you ever find a Castile soap, buy it. It's so good to clean your makeup brushes. Alright, I think that's a Nissan Versa. We are looking into picking up this one that we saw. It is very spacious, very, very compact. Of course, that's not the one, but I just wanted to show you guys. I am about to leave and head to CVS. I wasn't able to get you guys some footage, but I went for some water for Valentina. They are $1 the gallon for the nursery water, which is for babies. I don't know if it's any different than the regular one, but hey, it's $1. I did get some pizzas for her, and you guys know when I have her in the stroller, it's harder for me to maneuver and grab everything that I need and be able to record. So we are now going home. But this is what I bought. I got some string cheese. I got some rotisserie seasoned chicken breast with rib meat, ultra thin slices. I got some almond breeze, almond and cashew milk. I'm gonna introduce Valentina to that. I got some almond breeze almond milk, party pizza by Totino's, and Celeste 2 pizzas. These were $1. Again, I have to start feeding Valentina more food.
Handoff of these records say this was nowhere near a raid. Completely has a different opinion of what happened from Donald Trump, according to Dr. Bornstein.
Sanjay, I want to ask you about Drew's reporting on the president's medical records. What is the...
Hey guys, so I did change into some other clothes that you guys had seen me earlier in the day. So we are here at the Wynn Chevrolet in Carson. Henry wanted to look at a Nissan Sentra, and we found a Toyota Sentra? Nissan Sentra? I don't know. And a Versa. So, I don't know. I honestly am like, whatever, just pick something already, because the prices are low and so are the miles. So it's like, if you see something good, you gotta jump on it. Somebody's gonna take it if you don't. So wish us luck. Valentina is in sleep mode. It's her nap time. I gave her Motrin, so I guess it helped her knock out. She didn't have her earlier nap, so that's fine. So yeah, look at all the stuff I got. Candy, hand sanitizing wipes, a spoon, more sanitizing wipes. And here I have straws, because we often have to give Valentina with the straw. And I also have Lysol disinfecting wipes. I am telling you, I carry these things everywhere. You okay, Mama? She keeps on coughing. Permite, Mommy, permite. Alright guys, so we're gonna check out this little Nissan Versa and this Sentra. I like them both. Kayaki, Kayaki! Kayaki! Alright guys, so we're gonna call it a night. We bought ourselves a new car. Not 2018, but a newer car. So I will have to show you guys in my car on the next video. Bye!